Updating your billing information on Amazon Prime Video is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Sign in. Go to the Amazon website or open the Amazon app. Click on the sign in button and enter your Amazon account credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to your account. Once signed in, locate the Accounts and Lists option at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and then select your account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Access payment options. In your account settings, find the Your Payments section. Click on this option to view your current payment methods and billing information. Step 4. Update billing information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your updated billing information, make sure to click the Save button to confirm your changes. You should receive a confirmation that your billing info has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing information up to date on Amazon Prime Video. Regularly checking your payment details ensures uninterrupted access to your favorite shows and movies.